A Sydney magistrate has given prosecutors another 6 weeks to prepare their case against the accused murderer Malcolm Naden. The case was again before the courts this morning, but the man who spent 6 years at large took no part in proceedings. Here's court reporter Jamel Wells.
38-year-old Malcolm Naden remains in Goulburn's Supermax jail, where he's been detained since he was captured in bushland in northern New South Wales in March this year. He'd been on the run for almost 7 years and was one of Australia's most wanted men. Now, Naden is charged with 3 offences: with the murder of a woman in Dubbo in the state's central west, with the indecent assault of a teenage girl under the age of 16 in Dubbo, and with shooting at a police officer with an attempt to murder that police officer. Now, Malcolm Naden hasn't entered a plea to any of these charges, and he hasn't yet applied for bail. His last appearance was in Taree Local Court on the New South Wales mid-north coast. Today, the matter has been mentioned in a Sydney court, and a magistrate has adjourned the case until June. Now, last week, in a development in the case, police took Malcolm Naden from Goulburn's Supermax jail and took him to the Macquarie River in Dubbo, and that's the place where his cousin Letitia Nolan's car was found when she went missing around the same time that Malcolm Naden disappeared in 2005. Now, we understand that Malcolm Naden has been questioned more extensively about his cousin's disappearance, but no more charges have been laid against him. He chose not to appear in Central Local Court today via video link. His lawyer was asked outside court how he's holding up in jail, and she chose to make no comment. Jamel Wells reporting from Central Local Court in Sydney.